Now, the long-awaited migration of analog TV to the digital platform may have to wait a while longer after the Supreme Court directed Communications Authority of Kenya to consider applications for licenses by 3 local media houses in the next 90 days. Now, the ruling has triggered mixed reactions from the public as well as media experts. Here's more.
Writing that letter under Regulation 14(2)(b.
Many had anticipated that it will be a landmark ruling, but that was never meant to be, as it turned out to be what others have termed as, and I quote, shifting of goalposts. Supreme Court judges directed the Communication Authority of Kenya, CAK, to consult with parties interested in the digital broadcast license in the next 90 days in public interest. However, some media analysts say that the ruling is not unique to Kenyans.
I think it is almost similar, the same story. There are a number of issues which cut across economic issues, there are issues of politics, there are social issues which the government must consider. And there are also other interests here and there by the private practitioners. So it's a number of factors, not one.
Some media owners have constantly argued that the country is not ready for digital migration, but some people think otherwise.
It's going to help people have more stations in their televisions, more views to the world.
If we can embrace the digital migration, we can go far.
This is not the first time that the Supreme Court is postponing the digital migration, begging the question, will the analog switch-off happen after the 90 days given by Supreme Court are over?
We can't be sure. In fact, it's only our prayer that these people reach an agreement within that time, or even less. The fact was that you go, have the stakeholders come on board again and agree.
All eyes are now on Communication Authority of Kenya, the body given mandate to consider licenses for the local media houses, to see the criteria that will be used to issue the licenses.
You see, there are issues. There is the technical proposal, which every bidder must submit, and there is the financial proposal. In the financial proposal, they will look at your capacity to do the work. Do you have the capital? Do you have the money? Do you have the... Yeah, it's basically finances. Then number 2 is the technical side. On the technical side, it's about, do you have the competencies?
The digital broadcasting is expected to come with several benefits, including quality programming, as well as lesser cost of advertising to the consumers. It has been a long journey of legal battles between the media and the state, and the ruling by the Supreme Court yesterday to have the Communication Authority of Kenya consider the licenses of the interested parties in digital broadcasting in the next 90 days remains to be an issue that only time will tell. Reporting for WTV News, I'm Elijah Mwangi.